Shrouded in a blanket of clouds, they awaken. Their canopies of green glitter in the sun. Their wildlife start to slither, chirp, and growl. And one of the planet's richest ecosystems comes to life.
Welcome back, guys. It's the middle of the night now, 10:30. Tonight we'll be testing our hunting skills, and we're gonna see what we find.
Welcome back to the wild, guys. It's Professor Ant, and out here we are in the foreign wild, witnessing a natural phenomenon. Look at this, ants. They are the purest form of nature, colonizing industry. Isn't it magnificent, Professor Rena?
What a beautiful sight.
Of course, as we can see, the ants, they have a trail leading down onto this suspicious metal pole. Here we are, following the trail of ants, but it seems that they have disappeared into the wild. Well, guys, we are here in the Arizona rainforest where there are many mangroves.
Yeah, and it's at this time of the night where you can see nature's many wonderful beasts.
Oh, look, a lamppost. Oh, magnificent, brilliant.
What a sight.
It is a lamppost because it is one.
Okay, take a closer look at this lamppost. It's approximately about a meter long, and the lights are just spectacular. There's no other way to describe it. Beautiful. Okay, guys, come over here. You can see this wonderful sight of nature. You can see it looks like a very delicious chocolate pudding. What a shame these ants have taken it. Okay, I'm going to very carefully now take a spoon and mix. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on.
And now, we have finally found the trail where the nest of the ants is. Now, as you guys are entering the Arizona rainforest, you might find yourself in some potentially life-threatening situations. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to be safe. Now, the very first step is pretty simple. You just gotta assert a dominant position.
That is right. Especially in the Arizona rainforest, where there are leopards or snakes around. They will just slither right by like it's a tree. Beautiful. A word of caution. In the wild, always be prepared for the worst.
It's a common baboon, but remember, guys, the safety position.
Okay guys, we've reached the end of our little adventure here. And these are all we got from our hunt.
And please be reminded that we did not stop to any external shops to get any supplies. And everything is from the wild.
And we'll see you next time on
Nat Geo
Wild.